guys, welcome back to my channel. If it's your first time here, make sure you like, comment, and make sure you definitely subscribe. This week I just wanted to get into a few things that I received in PR over the last couple weeks, mostly Footlocker. Shout out to Footlocker for all the gifts and things, and then a special pair that I bought for myself. So let's go ahead and get into the goodies. First, let's get into the Adidas AE1 Low in the orange glow colorway. So I talked about these in my summer sneaker haul because I had got one pair. It's like that blue turquoise colorway. I got that one and I inserted the commercial for this one.
Flashback.
And literally I am obsessed. And they just dropped a commercial today for the lows. They were like black and pink. They are hard.
I actually thought they were pink at first, but they are definitely more of this hyper orange. Here's a look at the sneaker. Oh my god, it is not picking up the color that it really is. It is really that bright. I would have to turn down but I'm gonna insert some pictures so y'all can really see the color of this shoe. But it is so neon, like it is so fire. And it also has like this little hint of like reflective material on the front. It still has the same build as the original shoe. It's just a low version. With this one, if you're gonna get these shoes, I would say go up half a size. They fit very snug. They were hard to put on when I got my original size, so I definitely had to go up half a size in these. But they are so dope, and I'm glad to have these in my possession because I said I wanted them in that video a couple months ago. Next, we have a women's Air Jordan 1 Low in the oxidized green colorway. So when they sent me these, they actually sent me the wrong size, but it was okay because I was able to take them back and exchange it for my right size. So these are the women's Air Jordan 1 Low oxidized green with the gum bottom, and then it has like this aged sole on them as well. This is perfect for fall, and I was like, I definitely need these. I need these, so I need to make sure I grab my right size. These are going to be easy to style in the fall, in the winter, and just like you already know, we always love these like dark colors. I enjoy me a nice maroon, black, grays, all of those dark greens, navies in the fall time, and these is going to fit easily into the rotation. We have the Foamposite in the royal colorway with the penny 1 cent logo on them. These are dropping on the 13th. I've had these in my possession for a little minute. Look at that. Oh, that looks so good. I already know that this is gonna change color once you start wearing them. But blue is my favorite color. But fun fact, I've never owned a pair of Foamposites. I know, I'm from Chicago. It's never been my thing. From my neighborhood, we never wore like Foamposites or anything like that. I did see a little bit of that when I got in high school and stuff, but I know this is like a DMV like staple. Like if you're from the DMV, drop some gems. Tell me how this sneaker was introduced into your life, because I have a ton of stories of how certain sneakers and silhouettes was introduced into my life. But I'm blessed to have, you know, a pair in my possession. You know what I'm saying? I feel like I'm part of the cool kids club or whatever now. Y'all tell me a little bit about this shoe, but yeah, we finally entered the cool kids club. This is a sneaker I had to pick up for myself because once I saw it, I was like, I gotta have this. This is the Nike women's Air Shox R4 in the, what is this called? Hyper blue. I want to say it's a hyper blue colorway. Has a little 3M hit on the back, in the front as well. And I've worn these twice. I've worn them twice already. I'm obsessed with this shoe. They are so comfortable to me, but they are so different. They are so bold. When you wear them out in the streets, people gonna be stopping you, asking you what you got on your feet. So yes, this is a women's silhouette. I'm in love with the Shox. Like, that might be my thing right now. I see they have a black pair, and I love like this, like it's like this like satin-ish material on here. It's just so good. I love it real big. So yes, I have worn these already. I'll insert a video of me with them on and some photos and stuff. But I'm obsessed with this. I'm down with the game for these. I might grab that black pair too. Fire. I picked them up from Nordstrom. They was $180. I don't know, y'all. Don't quote me. I'll put the real prices and all that stuff on the screen, and it'll be linked in the box below as usual. But yes, I couldn't leave these behind. That's it for my sneaker haul. Thank you, Footlocker, again for the shoes. I'm so grateful for that. But y'all gotta let me know below which sneakers do you have in your collection, or which one of these that you'll be grabbing. And thank you guys for watching the video, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye. It'll be balanced.